On a sunny day, Peppa and T-Blue decide to plant a vegetable garden. Let's grow vegetables. Roar! I love gardening. We can plant here.
This soil looks good.
First, they dig small holes. Dig, dig, dig. Nice hole. I'll plant carrots. I'll plant tomatoes. They put seeds into the soil. In you go.
Grow big and strong.
Cover the seeds. Pat, 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 pat. Next, they water the seeds. Time to water. Splash, splash. Look! Little plants. They're growing. They take care of the garden. No weeds. Good job. They're taller now. Whoa! Healthy plants. The vegetables are ready to harvest. I got a carrot. Well done. So many vegetables. Oh, many vegetables. We did it! Hit it! Yeah! Our garden is great! Goodbye, garden. See you tomorrow. Peppa and T-Blue grew a lovely vegetable garden together. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yummy! More cake. More cake. Poot. Oops. Oh dear. Hello, T-Blue. I ate too much cake. Too much cake can make your tummy upset. Next time, eat a little cake. Poot. Hoot. I will get you warm water. Peppa prepares some warm water. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. My tummy feels better.
Breathe. Control. Every pop tells a story. Feel the tension build.
Let's go. The beat is calling. Time to move.
Hit it sharp. Feel the pulse in the lights. Every move has a purpose. Watch the feet, speed and control. This rhythm is alive. And drop. Hit the pose, own the space. Slide and pop, let the floor guide you. Feel that bass in your chest. In sync, one mind, two bodies. The wave starts here and flows through us. Air time. And down smooth. Your turn. Hit the ground. Robot mode. Lock it in. Every joint on a grid. Oh, you're a machine now? Let's see if you can keep up with this.
Now, explode. Give it everything. Sync up, go. Yeah, let's do this.
Down low. Spin it out. The energy is everywhere. Just feel the groove. Bounce with it. See the music on the screen.
On 3, 1, 2. And UP, land as one.
Yeah, yeah, show 'em what got inside. Just flowing.
Hello, T-Blue.
Roar, roar, hello.
Let me see your teeth.
Okay.
You taught your Nustitmurda Dow. Your teeth need cleaning. They need a good brushing right now. Time to brush your teeth. Yay! Just a little toothpaste. Ready? Ready? Ready?
Brush, brush, brush.
Up and down. Up, up and go and down. Up and down. Keep brushing. Spit. Good job. Rinse again, please. Okay. Okay. All clean. Well done.
Perfect teeth.
Always clean up. Yes. Yes. On a sunny day, Peppa and her friend Zalu visit the dinosaur park.
Wow, this park is so big.
Look, Zalu! Dinosaur footprints! Maybe my friends were here.
They discover a giant T-Rex statue.
It's huge!
He looks strong, just like me.
They can move! Hello, dinosaur friends. I'll walk slowly.
I'll help you, Peppa.
I'll help them trip it. They find baby dinosaur eggs. They're so cute. Baby dinosaurs are friendly. I'm a little tired.
Let's rest together.
Let's rest together.
The park looks beautiful from the hill.
I can see everything.
What a great view!
Whee! That looks fun. They learn more about dinosaurs.
Mogbo.
Dinosaurs lived long ago.
They were amazing.
I like this quiet place. It feels nice and cool. Goodbye, Dinosaur Park.
See you next time. It's time to go home.
On a bright morning, Peppa and T-Blue go to the park to exercise.
Hello, park.
Roar! Let's exercise! Let's stretch first. Stretching is good! They warm up their bodies. Left, then right. I can do it too! Let's jog.
Jog, jog, jog. Jogging makes them feel strong.
I feel good. Me too.
Jump, jump. Boing, boing.
Jumping is fun exercise. This is fun. I love jumping. Let's rest a little. Okay. Resting is important too. Refreshing. I feel better. Bend and stand. I'm trying. They exercise together. Wow. Well done. Thank you.
Time to cool down. Stretch again. They finish their exercise. I feel healthy.
Me too.
Exercise is fun. Let's do it again.
Peppa and T-Blue had a happy exercise day at the park. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
On a cold and snowy day, Peppa and Zalu visit a snowy mountain.
It's very cold. Fun.
Look at our footprints.
Whoa.
Crunch, crunch.
I like snow.
Peppa tries sliding on the snow. Whee!
That looks fun.
Roar.
My turn. Well done, Zalu.
The snowy forest is very quiet. Everything is white.
Light.
It's like a snow world. Don't worry, I'm here.
Don't worry, I'm here.
The ice is slippery. Look, I'm sliding.
That's right.
Narrator, they start making a snowman. Oh, Peppa, let's make a snowman. Zalu,
Great idea.
hello, snowman.
Oh, smell.
Yay! He looks friendly.
The wind blows on the snowy mountain.
Oh, the wind is strong.
Hold on tight.
A warm house. Let's rest inside. They warm up inside the cabin. Ah, that's warm. I feel better now. Let's keep exploring. Yes, let's go. The view from the top is amazing.
Wow, so beautiful.
I can see the clouds. What a lovely day!
Lovely day.
I had so much fun.
Peppa and Zalu had a wonderful snowy adventure. Bye-bye.
The train is here. Ah!
Yes, let's get on.
Watch your step.
It's so big inside. Ah! The journey is starting.
Wow, I can't wait.
I can't wait. Those are farms.
Wow. Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Whoa!
We're back in the light.
Look at the mountains.
Whoa! They are so beautiful.
Yes, they are majestic.
Nature is beautiful.
Nature is beautiful.
Oh,
Yes. Daddy, look.
I see it, Betment.
Wow, this trip is fun.
That's a lake.
Wow! Wow! It's so sparkly. The sky is changing color.
Vermelho.
Yes, it's beautiful.
This is a special moment.
Are we there? Ooh, there? Ookie there?
Almost, Betment. Get ready.
Ah! Wow! Wow! Oh, so many lights! This bridge is amazing! Wow! Let's dance!
Jump, jump.
Ah! This castle is so cool! Dance together! The flowers are shining. Yoy! Whoa! Oy! That's funny! Shake, shake! Copy me! This park is magical! The colors are beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, a T-Rex. They are so cute. Ah! Amazing. Ah! Let's go inside. Go inside! The egg is warm. The water is shining. Ooh. Papa! This place is calm. What a night! I'm happy. Ta-da! What a fun night! What a fun night! Time to go.
These trees are very old.
Oh, they look like giants.
Roar! This tree is taller than me.
Look! The plants are shining. Ah! This forest is full of surprises. Ah, yeah! I can see the trees in the water.
You certainly can.
Let's go slowly.
The trees are singing.
Ah, this is so beautiful. Oh, wonderful.
These trees look very friendly. I love this forest.
Yummy. Ah.
So tasty.
Ah! Yellow. Yellow.
Bananas for everyone! Hey!
Sweet berries. Ah! Haha! You're funny. Oops!
Here come the apples.
Wow. Wow.
This apple looks yummy.
Ha ha ha! You're funny, T-Blue.
Let's play some more. Hector.
Whoa, look!
Hello, Peppa and George.
Hello, Kio Kio. Play with us.
Can I?
Yes. Jump in. Peppa loves sharing fun. Yes. Jump in.
Here I come.
Look at that big splash, Kio Kio. Peppa and George are so happy.
George is a muddy dinosaur.
This is so fun. I love muddy puddles. Narrator, T-Blue is playing in a muddy puddle. T-Blue, splash, splash. I love muddy puddles.
Peppa steps into the muddy puddle.
I'm jumping in muddy puddles.
Splash. This is amazing.
Peppa loves muddy puddles. Jump! They jump up and down happily. Again. Again. I'm muddy. So muddy. Soon the rain stops. That was fun. Fun. Let's go home now. Yes, let's go.
And let's go.
It is a lovely sunny day in the park.
I love walking in the park.
Me too, Peppa. It's a perfect day. I'm ready to ski. Let's go. Woohoo! Snow is falling. The weather is changing. The weather is changing.
I can't see well. I can't see well.
Oh no! Don't worry, Peppa. I've got you. Thanks, Betment. Let's go.
We just need to hold on.
Hold on to me. No, Peppa, we can't stop. Oh, yay! No, Betman, we're sliding too fast. Oh! The tree.
We're safe here.
I'm scared. The storm is passing. We did it! We did it!
You're okay now. Shake those hips. Let's do the happy hip shake. We're dancing in the snow.
Super happy dance.